Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twitch streaming issues with Twitch, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix Twitch streaming issues effectively, follow these steps. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your upload speed meets Twitch's minimum requirement of 3 megabits per second. Next, restart your router. This can help refresh your network connection. Open the Twitch application or website. Log into your account and head to the Settings menu. Review your streaming quality settings. Set your video bitrate between 2500 and 6000 kbps for optimal performance. Lower your resolution to 720p if you're experiencing lag. Next, adjust your encoder settings. If you're using OBS, switch between software and hardware encoding. Make sure your streaming software is updated to the latest version. Check for any running applications that may use up bandwidth. Close unnecessary programs that could interfere with your stream. Now, test your stream with the record option in your streaming software. This helps identify if issues arise before going live. If you notice issues, consider using a different streaming server. Click on the stream settings in your broadcasting software. Select a server closer to your location for better connection stability. Next, check your Twitch dashboard for any error messages. Look for any alerts that may indicate issues with your account. If you're using a capture card, make sure all drivers are updated. Check the connections to ensure everything is plugged in securely. Finally, if problems persist, reach out to Twitch support. Provide them with detailed information about your issues. This can help them assist you more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.